This is Gaston Network. We interrupt New Year's Eve programming to bring you the announcement. Apparently, Ghostface has invented a disaster called a knife disaster. Which means it possibly the end of the world. So, there are 1 trillion Ghostfaces across the entire planet. Please gather your loved ones, and prepare for the end of the world. I want to take a moment to say goodbye to my wife, Jester Rogers and Spookley Rogers. I can be my strength, you'll be grateful to each other. So now, Gaston Network is finally shutting down forever.
Do you
Until
want
now,
to die,
goodbye.
Sydney?
Oh no, it's that Ghostface, I'm gonna get out of here.